Hello dear fans. Which countries are located in the tropical zone? The tropical belt of the Earth is located in the northern and southern hemispheres, from 20 degrees north latitude to 30 degrees south. The average winter temperature in its territories is 14 degrees Celsius above zero, and the summer temperature is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, also with a plus sign. In the tropical belt of the planet, the territories are quite diverse. These are deserts, semi-desert zones, as well as savannas and deciduous forests. So which countries are fully and partially located along its length? Partially located in the tropical zone of the state. There are 13 such countries. These are Australia, Algeria, the Bahamas, Bangladesh, Egypt, not all recognized Western Sahara, China, Libya, the United Arab Emirates, Paraguay, Saudi Arabia, Taiwan, and Chile. In these states, the so-called trade winds arise, winds that walk the tropics all year round. In the northern hemisphere, they blow from the northeast, and in the southern hemisphere, from the southeast. Residents of the above-described countries, like no others, feel the influence of pronounced seasonal changes in ambient temperature. Moreover, they are especially strong not on the islands, but in the mainland zone. The deeper, the stronger. As for precipitation, it is not too abundant, only 50 to 150 millimeters per year. The only exceptions to this rule are the coasts of the continents, to which the long-awaited moisture comes from the oceans. For example, in the tropical zone of the continent of Africa, precipitation falls in winter, and in summer they are almost completely absent. Countries with more than half of their area in the belt. This list is more extensive. The largest of them are Ethiopia, Banana, Ecuador, Philippines, Uganda, Chad, Thailand, Tanzania, Sudan, USA, Somalia with their pirates, Rwanda, Peru, Panama, Oman, Nicaragua, Mali, Malaysia, Congo, Kenya, Cameroon, Zambia, Dominican Republic, Vietnam, Yemen, Brunei, and others. There are more than 40 such countries in total. Tropical territories provide about a quarter of the world's land with various types of soil formation, diverse flora and fauna. Geographers attribute part of the tropical belt to the ancient continent of Gondwana, and, according to the current location of the land on the map, it is in this zone that most of the Earth's coral reefs are located, including the Great Barrier Reef. The world's largest coral formation is considered to be the Great Barrier Reef, which stretches along the northeastern coast of Australia. The length is 5,000 kilometers, the area is 344 square kilometers. There are mountainous states in the tropical belt, and in both hemispheres. They have more variable climates than countries without noticeable elevations. Nevertheless, there are relatively few such territories, since semi-desert and desert landscapes still prevail. It is the hot climate in the tropical zone that makes many of the states located in it a tidbit for tourists who love to bask in the sun and swim in salty seawater. Thanks for watching.